My name's Nadia Strachan, and welcome to Nadia Home's Interior Design Consultation Downloads. Now, for a while, I have been thinking about doing downloads for you on this website because I've been asked by so many people, can you do a consultation? And there just isn't enough hours in the day, and there are so many different styles. And I wanted to be able to expose you to as many styles as possible, that you can see them all in one place. Let's face it, if I did a consultation for you for each one, it would cost an awful lot of money. Whereas this way, you get to look at all the different styles that there are, make a decision for yourself, which one suits you. And then you can just simply download it for a very reasonable price. Now, this is just the first page. You can see which are the most popular downloads, and you can see the general styles that a lot of people do go for. If they don't suit, don't worry. There are so many on the website, and you'll be able to see which ones suit you. Please have a look at my About page. That tells you a lot more about me, about my background, and just all the other things I'm interested in too, and the various books you can buy as well connected to these consultations. As well as that, there is a page called What You Get. Now, what you get is a very important page. It's only a snapshot. It doesn't tell you in the entirety what you get. It just gives you a snapshot. Okay, so that's just a very small portion of what you get. This website doesn't really allow you to see full videos, so I do give roughly about 2 half-hour video presentations for each consultation. And that just walks you through each stage. There are 4 sections to each consultation, and I will walk you through them. It also gives you an opportunity to have a look at the 2 different types of consultations. There are domestic consultations, and also there are commercial consultations. So it covers the 2 sides of our lives, our home lives and our working lives as well. So you can look at those and see if any of those work for you. Please let me know how you enjoy these consultations, how they work for you. If you want to drop me a line, there is a contact section, and then you can just write me a quick email or let me know how you're going, or even send attachments of your room and how it has changed for you. I truly believe that interiors have the ability to change our story, and when we change our story, we change our lives. Now, all of this, all these packages, I've decided £30 is if you're in the UK, or $40 is the conversion of £30, $40 if you're anywhere in the US or connected to. So please do have a look at them. They're a very reasonable price, but you get an awful lot for that. I hope you enjoy this journey. I've enjoyed making them, and as you can see, I'm constantly adding to this website, and so please visit as often as you like and just see what is new. And I look forward to taking you through this journey. Thank you very much. Bye bye.